Good Friday morning, Northeast Ohio. I'm 3 News meteorologist Peyton Damschke. We're starting off this morning rather crisp. Some of us in the upper 50s, some of us in the low 60s, but nonetheless, we're going to go from the 60s into the 70s, then back in the 80s. The treat today is wall-to-wall sunshine. We are going to see it almost all day long until we add maybe a few clouds through the afternoon. But if you're trying to get outside, no major weather worries whatsoever. A brief isolated shower at best. I think the majority of us, though, going to stay dry. It's the change of events that happens as we head through the weekend when it comes to wet weather back in the picture. Today, though, high temperatures, low to mid 80s for us. That's right where we should be for this time of the year, so a very summery end to the work week for us. The weekend outlook, though, keeps us consistent in the mid 80s when it comes to temperatures tomorrow. And then, yes, you are indeed seeing 2 shower and thunderstorm icons on your screen. I don't want to alarm you when it comes to seeing rain at all times through your weekend. We'll start tomorrow out to dry, and I think our better chances to see more widespread rainfall will actually happen on Sunday, but nonetheless, there are rain chances mixed into the weekend, so you'll need to keep that WKYC radar app handy. Where is the system now and where is it headed? Well, right now it's through parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa. It's an area of low pressure, so what that simply means to you is that it is attached to unsettled weather, a whole lot of cloud cover too, and then off of that, we'll actually see a cold front. That's what's starting to swing on out of here, dropping itself through Missouri and parts of Illinois as we loop this through the past 6 hours or so. It will meander its way farther eastward, and that means the Storm Prediction Center has also tossed up a few chances for severe weather. And now our outlooks for tomorrow are confined to the second half of the day, really late tomorrow evening through about dinner time onward. And that's basically from the metro area a tad bit south and then west. Most of our far eastern counties not really included in this. But on Sunday, a change of events, almost all of Northeast Ohio included in a level 1 out of 5 for severe weather. So what this means for us, as it is a low-tiered severe weather potential even event that will unfold, is that just means those showers and thunderstorms that sweep on through could be a tad bit stronger. So producing some gusty winds, some small hail, as well as heavier downpours, a possibility. So nothing too alarming, but definitely some summertime showers and thunderstorms we're looking at, not only for the day tomorrow, but obviously then on Sunday, and some of these even linger into the beginning of the work week too. National Zymer hour by hour forecast. I do want to keep you posted. Check out the right hand top corner of your screen. That's where you will find the time as to where I've stopped all of this. So this is mid-morning tomorrow. We are dry as can be. Clouds will be added to the picture. Temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s for us as we move through about midday. So any outdoor lunch plans, you're still a-okay when it comes to any of that, is what we see past this. So about 2, 3, 4 o'clock, things start to bubble on up, kind of what we've seen the past couple of days, but this one a little bit more intense because of the collision of 2 different air masses. They don't really agree, they don't like each other, so we've kind of got a trigger in place, and then we start to see some thunderstorm development. So brighter tones on your screen, some heavier pockets of rainfall. That moves on out kind of all the way through about 10 p.m. That's when we start to dry on out, at least briefly, and then Sunday morning, things start to arrive in scattered nature. So yep, we'll start out with a little bit more of a break in the activity. Temperatures in the 60s, the upper 60s, low 70s for us. But then we start to see just the addition of some patchy, spotty showers and storms almost all day long. So Sunday looks to have a little bit more coverage, as I mentioned, to the weekend rain chances than Saturday does, because the first half of your Saturday will be dry. In your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, we go from the 80s into the 70s for Monday. We stay in the upper 70s for Tuesday as well, but we don't see sunshine quite like what we do today until about next Wednesday. So make today count for what it's worth. Stay hydrated, apply the sunscreen, but get out and enjoy. Happy Friday, of course, and I hope you have an even better weekend.